The Nantucket wine mixer?
I think he meant to say Catalina wine mixer, and he trying to sell some helicopters.
I know it is. I don't see anything on YouTube, Coach.
Let's try this. Testing, testing. There we go. Audio's working now. Okay, check, check. All right, how we looking on YouTube? It says we're live.
I guess I'm waiting for my phone to catch up. 'Cause I don't
Anybody?
see a live.
20 moderators. Bueller.
Waiting. There it goes.
I don't.
TikTok's
Okay.
up.
Yay! That's nice. So choice. We are golden. Good morning, everybody. Is my screen shared out? Can you guys see my Weeble all right?
I
Yes,
see it.
sir.
Okay, great.
You can hit record, please.
Yep. Going to the cloud.
Recording in progress.
There we go. All right. Very nice. Give me 1 second. Everything's going to be a little bit slower. I am remote today. So bear with me if production's a little off. I'll be out here until Thursday, probably leaving Thursday morning. So I'm sure I'll be streaming from the house again on Thursday.
You're up in my neck of the woods.
Yes, I'm up. I'm in Virginia Beach. I'm at Virginia Beach actually today.
Oh, I thought you said Nantucket.
No, that was me joking. All right, real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. I'm going off a different list, so it'll be different. But thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, James, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and who am I missing? Anybody? Hopefully not.
James.
James.
Oh, did I not say James? And James. Thank you.
No, he said James.
Yeah, I thought I did.
Yeah, he
Coach,
said it.
Virginia
I heard
Beach
it.
is a nice town. That's a nice town, Coach.
Yeah, this is yeah, we're literally right on the ocean. I was gonna stream from out there so you guys could see the ocean and all that stuff. Number one, it was a little cold, and number two, I thought it would be really noisy. I'm probably 50 yards maybe from the ocean, if that. Yeah, probably 50 yards by the time I go over this little hill. I mean, this
Beautiful.
is oceanfront property. It is so amazing. Let me see if I can swing this camera without completely breaking the system. Hold on. Hold on. It's gonna get a little sketch. Little sketch. Hang on. Wait for it. Can you guys see it?
Beautiful, Coach.
Yes.
Is that nice or what?
Hell yeah.
Hold on, let me see
Oh
if
yeah, that's beautiful.
Hold on, let me see if I wait till you see this. Watch this beach line. Let me see if I can get it over there without completely ruining everything over here. Can you guys see the beach line out there? Hold on.
Yeah, we can see it, Coach.
Is that beautiful or what? This is my view today.
It's kind of pointed up, like towards the ceiling a little bit.
Oh, is
there
it?
you go.
I
Yeah,
have
if
to
you
hide
look
the
down
screen
just a
so my
little
wife doesn't walk in.
Coach, we went from loving you to being jealous. That's beautiful. Congrats.
bit.
Yeah, look at this setup here. Can you guys see the house?
Oh yeah, that's sweet.
This is the upstairs.
Wow, you got a panoramic ocean view?
Yeah, oh yeah. It's just it's absolutely it's beautiful.
Nice.
And then downstairs has got a pool table, foosball, hot tub. There's a pool over here to my right, over off of the second tier deck.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's real nice. Daddy's feeling very blessed today to be able to stream from you. Isn't that funny? Just on a Tuesday, right? We left on a Monday, like, hey, you know what? Let's just go to the beach.
So this might actually be the first vacation spot where you stay the whole time?
That's questionable. Let's not push it here, buddy. Come on, you know better than that. Like I said, though, we're here till Thursday, but notice I said we're gonna leave early Thursday morning. If you guys don't know, I mean, I'm up usually by a lot of times by about 2:30, but usually by 3, no later than 3:15, right? I'm up, ready to go, ready to move, ready to rock and roll. By the time you guys roll, some of you roll in here, I've already been up for 6 or 7 hours, right? What is it, 9 o'clock? Yeah, I've been up since 2, so we're talking, already been up for 7 hours, right?
Coach, weren't the two brothers from up there and down at the Keys too? He was in Virginia Beach, right? That you coached them to success, the two brothers?
Yeah, I know who you're talking about. Mark?
Yeah.
Yep, absolutely, 100%. Yep, from the Keys. Yep, yeah, he's the one that had the Airbnb houses, remember?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep. But a beautiful view out here. It's really nice. I'll take you guys on a little misguided tour. It's what is it? It's 9:09. I wonder how bad I would blow up my system if I took you guys on a house tour. Does anybody want to go on a little house tour? Huh?
You know we do.
I think we should try it and see how bad I blow the system up. All right, let's do it. Hold on. Let me oh, if I unplug this system, is it gonna freak out?
You didn't bring your glasses with you, did you?
I did. I'm afraid if I unplug this, it might. Maybe. Let's try it. Hold on. Let's see what happens.
Might be a vacation day.
Oh, we're all right. All right, we're okay. We made it. That's phase 1. Now let me make sure I don't unplug my secondary camera. Hold on. You guys wouldn't believe all this crap to run this production. It's ridiculous, even remote. And my dog is under my feet, of course. All right, let's go for a walk, shall we? Come on, come with me. This old house, this old beach house. You guys ready? Are you still with me?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah,
here we
let's
go.
do it.
All right. So
Can you put it on full screen, maybe?
yeah,
MTV Cribs.
somebody know how to do it?
American Dream Trading Cribs. Now you got another show.
That's right. Bruno, can you make it full screen? Here, and I'll stop this share too. That should do it. There we go. Is that better?
There you go.
Oh,
Hey.
yeah.
You see. Yep.
All right, so check it out. So this is right here. I actually pulled this table in. See, you guys see my dog down there? Look at her down there sleeping. See her under my feet? Is that funny or what? Hold on, I gotta fix this other camera. Okay. So anyway, so this is the upstairs. Check it out. Look at this. So this is like a whole deck area enclosed. You guys see it out here? Look at this. Look how beautiful this
Oh
is.
man, that is beautiful.
Look at that.
Are you adopting any children recently, or is there any
Yeah, because that's
applications?
my room. I'm staying there.
Is that beautiful or what though? Look at this line, right?
Yeah, that is beautiful.
It's like, oh my gosh. See, we're way up here. Pool's right there. I
Yeah.
don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll take you down there. So this is the upstairs tiered deck. I love this thing. Check it out.
Where's this at, Coach?
Hold on. Sorry if this is all jittery and stuttery and
Coach, where are you at?
Virginia Beach.
Virginia Beach. Here's the kitchen. Can you guys see it?
Oh, that's nice. Open concept. Nice.
Right, all modernized kitchen area. This is the
Yeah.
living room area.
It's like my future house.
Kind of hard to see. Let me tilt the screen down a bit. Is that better?
Yeah.
It's funny. We turned the TV on last night. We're like, what the hell is that? Look at the TV, right? I've got 100-inch at home.
Dude, your shit.
You're right. I'm like, what is
You
that?
could fit like 4 of those in your screen.
Uh-huh. Here's one
That
of the
looks like it came from the
bedrooms.
tiny house.
Here's one of the bedrooms here. Can you guys see it? Look at that view out the bedroom, right? Right to the ocean.
Oh, nice.
Right?
You got a little
Bathroom.
balcony outside of there too, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah, that deck goes all the way across. Yep.
Oh, nice.
And then
Okay,
in
you just made
here,
me dizzy right there.
we have a little
Dude,
half
stop
bed
it.
leading into another bedroom.
Oh, nice.
How many days are you gonna stay there, coach?
Just 3 days.
3 days? That's
I
cool.
think this is
Very nice.
I want to say it's a 6-bedroom. Hold on, let me take you around. We're gonna go downstairs.
Wow, this is just upstairs?
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
upstairs. Hold on. This is
Only upstairs.
look at this. This is my favorite.
Damn.
To play
You
pool.
see that?
Yes.
Coach, I calculate that as twice a day, bing bang.
Yeah, bang bang. Wife's already tried to attack me multiple times. See, look
Got
at
the
all
little
this.
bunk beds for the kitties.
Right?
You know, Coach, if you extend it to Friday, I'm pretty sure we could get a meet and greet with several people there.
Yeah. Yeah, right? There's plenty of space.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
unbelievable.
Look at all this.
You stay in
Right?
your bunk bed.
Look at that.
I like that. That's an Airbnb, right?
Yeah,
That's one
yep.
Airbnb?
See another little bunks and then look,
Another
see the-
bunk
see the
section.
deck.
How many kids do they think we have?
I don't know, but probably have a lot of kids if you're in here. Everybody bang bang.
Yeah.
Usually about 300 some in our community is open.
Check this out. This is so beautiful. Look,
Oh, yeah.
the hot tub. Look at this deck.
Stop it.
Look at
Hot
this-
tub.
Right, big old deck. Look at right to
With
the
a
ocean.
view.
This is what I was saying. Look, I can, right underneath us, the third tier down here. I can go out and I can walk right up to the beach. See it? And there's a beach
Sweet.
over this little ridge.
What's the weather there?
It's like 60 degrees right now. Here's a pool. It's covered though. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? On the deck?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lap pool? Wow.
Isn't that cool though? I mean, what a view, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yes.
Nice.
I wanna go.
So this is a random Monday, right? We're like, hey, let's just go check this out.
Chilling.
That's incredible.
That is awesome.
Inspired by the sea. How cool is that though, right? And
I don't want to
there's-
say that beats my Motel 6 leaving the light on for me, but
Yeah. Look,
Nice
more.
headboard.
And that too, that leads out, right? Another bathroom. Hold on, there's more bedrooms.
Oh my god.
I'm like, at one point, a family lived in that house. I mean,
I know,
talk about
right?
it.
See, look, here's another one.
We're frozen?
Yeah, you froze up, coach.
Is it? All right. I'm walking around.
House is
So,
that big that Wi-Fi doesn't get in there.
yeah, but look at that.
Wow,
that
look at that
is
neighborhood.
amazing.
Pretty though, right?
Yep.
It is.
Gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
So this is
We got
where I'm
4
working.
bedrooms and a master.
This
It's
is
nice.
where I'm
Almost look like
working
Destin,
today.
Florida.
But look at this view. Come on, look at that.
That's nice.
And with all the sky, you can see if there's any UFOs coming in long before they get to you.
That's right. So this is my office this week. I know it's rough. It's terrible. It's a damn shame.
Should do a
Slumming it.
testimonial, coach.
You're slumming it.
All right. Controls.
Know what I mean?
Oh, what's that? I missed it.
Should do a testimonial.
Oh, that's smart. Maybe I will. All right. But anyways, thanks to all the amazing people at American Dream Trading to make my American dream come true, right? Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do any of this stuff, right?
But it had to start with you giving back. All blessings will come back to you.
Yep. I appreciate all of you being here. I could not have done this without any of you, obviously. It's just cool to think about on a random weekday just to be able to get out of the house, you know? It's pretty epic. Pretty epic, not gonna lie. And you know me, I love the change of scenery. And at Ocean, that's where I'm at, right? My wife would like a penthouse in New York, and I'm like, give me a beach house any day, you know?
Yep.
You can keep that hustle and bustle crap to yourself. I like the easy breezy, lemon squeezy, ocean breeze. Yeah, it's my calling.
See, I'd rather have a cabin up in the mountains somewhere, and my wife wants a beach house. So,
Yep. Yeah, and our house is basically like that cabin, right? That's one thing. So the house is kind of, you know, that's not kind of. Our house is like the safe haven, quiet, calm, right? And it's funny too. We talked about that the other day. You know, about us when we leave coming back home, because if you think about it, before, you know, when we were broke kids trying to take vacations, it's almost like you're escaping and you're you know, you're trying to go to the opulence and the nice things and the better quality stuff, and you know what I mean, and then you come home and you're like, well, we're home. Right?
Right.
Which is
back to reality.
Yeah, which is kind of funny now, because now wherever we go, when we come home, this is going to sound terrible, but we've created that home. When we come home, we're like, we have a nicer home than everywhere we go, right? It's nicer than the 5-star hotels. Our beds are nicer, the sheets are nicer, the furniture's nicer, the house is nicer, right? So it's not like we're leaving to get out of what we are in. It's more about just seeing different things, right? Which is such a blessing to be able to even say or do that. So, listen, that's why we're here, though, right? At American Dream Trading. Think about it. I've got a laptop, I've got internets. I mean, I've got a tablet next to me, but think about it. You guys, you can trade from anywhere in the world, right? At any time. Hell, you can trade off your phone. That's what's different about today versus way back in the day, right? When I started this crap. You guys have the ability now to make money from anywhere in the world as long as you have the internet, right?
yes, sir.
It's the greatest thing in the world.
It really is.
I'm sitting across the world 12 hours ahead of you, doing it right from here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Wait, you didn't show any Lambos though. What happened?
Yeah, no Lambos, right? My wife did take the Cybertruck out this morning. But yeah, no Lambos. There's no Lambos out here in the driveway. And this is not my place. Just so everybody knows, this is not my beach house. I'm at an Airbnb, so don't come at me for receipts. Could I buy this tomorrow? Yes. But it's not mine, so don't come at me. Fake. He's faking rich stuff.
Coach, we're doing this with no employees and no tenants, baby.
That's right. Getting it done. But it's beautiful, and I do want to thank everybody here. By the way, obviously it's very humbling. It's cool. When I woke up this morning and I saw, right, everything and the waves crashing, you know, and then later, of course, the sun coming up, which was really beautiful, came up over there. It looks so nice. But yeah, thank you to all of you. Listen, this is why I'm doing this though every day, right? I want to make sure that everybody has the opportunity to do this. Not just me, not just some of our members who've already, right, found success. For everybody. Everybody has a shot at this. There's nobody in this room that does not have the same advantage as anybody else. And don't say it's about money.
Recording in progress.
I thought I already had it set to record. Oh, is it when I restarted something? What happened? I thought I already had a recording. But anyways, Don't try to say it's money. It's not. As you know, one of our members has turned $700 into 13 million in the last year. So don't say it's money. Don't say it's time. Don't you dare ever, don't anybody ever, I swear, don't you ever say it's time. That's the laziest thing I've ever heard of in my life. Because later on today, you'll be scrolling TikTok, you'll be watching a Netflix show, you'll be doing something on your lunch break other than studying. Don't ever come at me about time or money. It's free to be here. You have zero excuse. We have removed every barrier there is for you. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
Absolutely, Coach.
Pretty much,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So no
There's
excuses.
so much information out there.
Thank
You
you.
put
Yeah,
stuff everywhere. YouTube,
yes.
YouTube, TikTok, every talk, it's there.
Yeah, absolutely. We have thousands and thousands, literally thousands. And I'm not just saying it's thousands of videos, right? Thousands.
Right, Coach, and it doesn't matter what time of day or night, you can learn something. You can learn at 1 a.m. It's
That's right.
crazy how much there is out there.
Absolutely. Yeah. And think about it. If you're like, oh, well, I was on vacation. Well, now you can catch up because everything we have is recorded, whether it's in the Zoom or if you're a gold or diamond member or hell on YouTube. I mean, we're here every day, 3 times a day on YouTube. You can't tell me. So again, no excuses. We are all on the same playing field as each other to be successful. So I never want to hear that crap, right? It's kind of like my business and everybody's like, yeah, but you probably had a rich daddy. My dad was as broke ass joke as anybody you could have ever met, right? It would come from a silver spoon. And I started this business with no money, 0 capital, 0 marketing, just me. And back then, my phone, and that was it, right? That was it. There is no excuse for anybody in the world today in 2025 to say you cannot make it. If you have a phone and internet, you can survive. So no more excuses. Let's get to work. We're going to work with you every single day here at American Dream Trading. I appreciate you all being here. I don't have all my stuff up, so I apologize in advance again if the show's a little all over the place. It's just the way it is. But real quick, I want to thank all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. Thank you to all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. I can already see the market is pulling, right? Right now, we've got SPY down 0.5%. Apple's up. Some of them are kind of topsy-turvy. Don't forget Wednesday, tomorrow, Market Mover Wednesday, earnings after hours, NVIDIA. Please be careful. Not financial tax or investment advice, just letting you know I never have covered calls through earnings. I just don't. Because if by chance, right, it runs, I don't want to cap myself to the ceiling, right? So this is just me. Always make sure, though, you are hedged, right? Have something, whether it is some sort of small covered call or buy some small puts. Maybe they're lotto, smaller size puts, right? Just make sure you guys are hedging everything. And when I say hedge, if you have any long-term investments, I say this every day. If you have long-term investments, you need insurance on them. I always say that for all of these little types of pullbacks, even if they are short term, you must have some sort of hedge on them. We have tons of mentorship classes, videos, all sorts of stuff where I've talked about it. I've been talking about it for 3 years straight. Make sure you guys are listening. I had one of my one-on-ones was not hedging at all. Not hedging, right? Gave up a lot of money, not listening. So when I'm talking, right? You don't have to take everything as gospel, but do your own homework then at least, right? If you're like, well, what's this old man talking about? Find out. Look into it. Does it make sense? How much? Why? When? How? Where? Right? I try to give you all this information to try to protect all of you. Speaking of protection, real quick. American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian. None of us here are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. While you are training in the room, use paper trading only. Do not use real money. Always make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. Always and forever. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next 30 days off. You are obviously not ready to use real money. Make sure you journal each and every day. Go in with small position sizes that will allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. Make sure you guys are looking at stocks before options, crypto, and futures. It's a more simplistic trading system versus the others. Make sure you guys are following all of the rules that we have here. It's funny. Somebody will go, oh, I heard so-and-so say this, and now it makes sense. I say the same things every day. The training is the same every day. It has been for 3 years. The training has never been different, ever, not once. Everything you are hearing from a trainer, a moderator, or a member is something that I have been saying for 3 years straight. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nothing
sir.
has
Every day.
changed.
100%.
Absolutely.
Nothing has changed. Everybody is parroting the same information. This is why it works. We keep it simple. KISS, right? Keep it simple and stupid. That's what we want, right? The strategies are not stupid or simple, but the way that we train them, I want to make sure that everybody has the ability to do it. All right, here we go. Let's rock and roll. Nobody go rogue today. Of course, I will be trading with a live account in front of your face. If you guys see any runners, let me know. If you have any 2-minute EWOs, call them out on the first indicator if you would, please. And let's have a great day. Nobody go stupid on me. Stay in the game. Apple 2-minute EWO, upside, second indicator, right out of the gate. Make sure you guys have already marked your pre-market high and low and previous day high and low. So you're ready to rock and roll. SPY starting to get a bounce off the 661.68. Shortcuts are not working. Let me see if I can get that up.
Coach, you're not sharing your screen.
Oh, crap. Okay, thank you. Hold on. It was, oh, that's right, because I flipped to the big screen. Is that better?
Yeah, now we see.
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, there goes SPY starting to crap out. Nice pull there. Little more room. Looking for this double bottom bounce around 660.50. Everybody see it down there? Getting closer now. It's at 661 right here. It's real close to this double bottom area. There it goes. So 661 was the double bounce. Hopefully I saved somebody's booty on that, right? Okay, good. Wow, look at that candle. Huh? How's that for a 1-minute candle?
That's the biggest candle I've seen
That
ever
is,
that I can think of.
yeah, that's crazy. Wow.
Over.
about $2.50 cake.
Yeah, oh my.
WM followed suit with the same candle.
Thank you. Yeah, that is just wow.
That's how whacked out yesterday was.
Did we just hit the 200 on the 2-minute? I think we did. On SPY. Still climbing. Gosh. Wow. Coming up on this resistance level now. Let's see. $664.50. About $1.70 away from previous day close. Apple still 2-minute EW. Oh, it looks like, but it is really struggle busting over there. SPY sitting here right now. I'm watching it to see if it stays above this 663.25 area.
Tesla is about to make new low.
Okay, thank you. All right, there goes SPY. Now pulling.
%50 pullback on SPY. Look at that.
Oh, crap. Well, my stop did not get in there. Did you guys see where I tried to put that stop in? It was too tight. Couldn't hold.
All the indicators are right there. All of them.
Yep.
It's crazy.
Yep. Let's see. Previous day low was 662.17.
Yep.
And today's open was 662.09. There we go. Nice bounce off those indicators. Didn't get a whole lot. Got a piece of it. There we go again. Nice. There we go. That's a better move. Yeah, so take that for 900. There, that washed away that last one where my stop didn't work. Now I'm back at break even. Did you guys see what I did there? Is I took the long off of all the indicators, right?
I did too, boss.
Somebody's running on the beach. Come on, that's glorious. You have yourself a good day, Bob. Ah. 9:37 on a Tuesday. Who would have thought some punk kid from Flint would be sitting in his Virginia beach house, chilling by the ocean right now, trading stocks to thousands of people and making new millionaires every day. Who would have thought that? Huh? Bet you didn't
Not
have
that
that.
guy running on the beach.
Everything's possible.
Bet you didn't think you had that on your bingo card.
Maybe your neighbor back when you lived in
Coach,
Flint.
yeah, exactly. Your neighbor didn't think that.
Yep, that's true. Apple still on the struggle bus over there. SPY. I'd like to see it break the 664.50. This is a really, really small consolidation area here with weakness, so everybody be cool, right? We had that long candle to come back to the upside. We could see that gap down eventually later in the day, right? Where it wants to come right back down to that 661. So we'll see. I'm looking for the break of 664.50 is what I would like to see to the upside. Otherwise, if you want, you can continue to trade off of all those indicators sitting in that small group for a small move. Nothing major yet. Every time it comes down there, that's support though, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, coach.
So it's really tight, super tight consolidation. Let me see what the Qs are doing. Yes, Qs are doing the exact same thing. Tesla, exact same thing in that consolidation area. Let me check NVIDIA. Oh,
Same.
Yeah, it's identical. All of this is channeling sideways, right?
We gotta wait.
Yeah, these
Gotta
are
wait.
all, which tells me if this breathes back at all, this thing is going to crash, right?
Uh-huh.
You're good. Nope.
Apple is dumping too, Coach.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Yeah, if this breaks below that that 9 and 21 that it's sitting on there, I'm going to short this thing. But I have to be patient because this is still support. So if I try to short this early and buyers still come in, calls on support, puts on resistance, right? Everybody in the room? So as much as my brain is like, oh, it wants to go to the downside. Yeah, but if you start to mess with that, you start breaking rules because you have a bias, you better check yourself at the door. Am I right?
Yeah, I'm sure you just have some butt right now. Because look at that thing.
Oh, yeah. Being very
No
mindful.
bias other than your voice.
Appreciate you. Checks in the mail.
Coach, sorry to interrupt. I've got to shut everything down. The power company's here. They have to change out my meter.
Okay, no problem, partner. Have a good one. Thank you for all the help. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. No.
Thanks for stopping by.
Whoops. I didn't
That
know.
was weird.
I didn't know that he didn't make somebody the host and that he was the host, though.
Yeah, right?
I didn't know that's what he was actually referring to. I just thought he was leaving.
The new guy.
Oh,
And
boy.
we're back.
Come on.
Gotta change the host first.
Yes.
What did he do? Have the control of everything?
Yeah, he was the host, it looks like.
Back to that bottom.
Yep, I'm on it. I'm watching it, getting into a little bit of room. Oh, there it goes. Did anybody scoop that up on that short like I did? I just didn't hold it long enough. Anybody?
Yes.
Yes, that was
100%.
Did James just break his kill Zoom cherry?
He did. Yeah, he wrecked it. He wrecked our souls and just said, I'm out. Peace.
That's what I said, the new guy.
Anybody get that nice little short? That was beautiful, right?
I missed it. The camera went out. Where did you short it at, Coach?
So as soon as it got below, as soon as I got below those indicators, partner.
Okay.
Yep. I didn't get it for much. I got scared once I got down to this little micro double bottom area, this 660, 179. So I took what I was going to get right there. It had a little bit more. I probably could have made another $1,000 off the trade, but I got scared and I took it for a quick scalp.
Got it off the top. Got it off the top.
Moderators, you guys will have to get all the mics. I don't have any of that in at my fingertips. Usually I can jump it, but I can't. Apple third 2-minute EWO to the downside. But do you guys see what I was talking about with SPY? How it looked more like it was to the downside than the upside, even though it was trying to climb up right there? Okay, great.
Coach, what were the signs of that? I see what you're saying there.
It had weakness and it didn't continue to climb and it started to consolidate and it didn't get up really high when it started to consolidate. It was still chopping in the middle and we still haven't got to even previous day open, right? And there just wasn't anything great signs of strength.
Okay, thank you.
Now, if I would have seen like Apple climbing or the Qs or Tesla or Nvidia or something that's, ripping, that could also bring the market with it, but nothing was happening. Everything was sideways, right?
Yeah.
And that's why you guys noticed I started scanning all of them, right? That's when I started flipping through. What are they doing? What is that one up to? And that right there, that bounce is why I took my money, even though it was short right there. I was looking for that bounce of 660, 179. See it right there?
Yes, I do.
That's exactly why I didn't get greedy and I took my money early when you guys saw it kind of stalling on my screen. I was like, no.
Hey, Coach.
Yep.
And I like when it hit that double bottom. Okay, I didn't take that double bottom because it seemed to hesitate a bit, and I wasn't sure if it was going to continue to go down. So I hesitated.
Yeah,
any
that's okay.
thoughts?
Yeah, that's okay. I mean, sometimes that happens. And technically, if everybody was waiting for it to get to 661, remember SPY is 25 to 40 cents off. So if you're waiting for 661, everybody in the room, don't we go in early?
Yes, we do.
Yep. And that's okay though. The other thing too, right, is normally like, oh, double bottom. Well, the problem with this one's double bottom is the double bottom, there's only like 40 cents and then all the indicators are above it, right? So typically you're like, yay, double bottom, I'm going to hammer, and you get a nice climb. There's nothing but resistance above this double bottom. Am I right?
Right.
So it's like you didn't miss anything. There wasn't a lot of meat on the bones. Now, if it would have continued to climb, you would have kicked yourself in the pants. But the fact that my double bottom is sitting on a ceiling right above it, nah,
Yep.
it's not great, right? It's not ideal.
Got it.
Now this is nice. This is getting nice and heavy. There it goes. I like that. I'll take that for another 400 bucks. Take that for a little ride, right?
Tesla's breaking 400. We're trying to.
Yeah, Tesla's still to the downside. 2-minute EWO, perfectly downside, right?
Correcto.
All right, right here again, SPY. This is a double bottom, right? Oh my gosh, I just missed it. I could have at least got that nice, beautiful half.
I got it.
Yep, nice.
I got 85 ticks out of it.
Oh, did you? Wow. Good job.
I missed the first one, so I was like waiting for it to get down far enough.
Yep. Good job. Patience, right?
Yes, sir.
Patience and position size. Waiting for an A+ setup, but the position size is going to be everything, because if you can get in with a smaller position size, you won't be sweating when it's moving around, waiting for the move for you, right? Everybody? Small.
Yes, coach.
Small, small,
100%,
small,
coach.
small positions will allow you to stay in a good trade. You get in too heavy and it's like, oh, right? Nice. Shorted that off the 9.
Oh, yep.
Apple is crashing.
Yep. Oh, that's beautiful. There's a
There you go.
$1,000 trade. There it is. Moving it tight just because there it is. Yes. There's 1,300. 14. 15. Keeping it tight around that bottom. Boom. I'll take it. That's $1,500. Now, the reason I kept that so tight once we got down to the end is because 661 is my bounce zone, right? If it goes below it, I can get back into it, but I don't want to be sitting where it can just bounce and take all my money back. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Now I've got another level at 660.50. That is the natural double bottom from pre-market. 660.50. See it?
Coach, what do you use for your stop with that if you're going to do a call on that double bottom?
I just have a tight stop, but this is a great spot for it. I was setting up for it right here. So what I was doing on my screen is I was going to go in smaller position size, right, with a tighter stop.
Yeah, cues of the natural.
Moderators, that's a mic. You can hit it. See, even that right there, isn't that a nice trade off that 660.50 right up there to that 661? That's a nice trade, right? Glorious.
The cues just hit a triple double.
Nice. Look at that. Did anybody make any money off that? That was a nice little bounce. I know it wasn't a ton, but that was nice, right?
Very
nice, thank you.
Yep. If it breaks at 660.50, I'm going to short it. A minute. Boom. Take it for another $200. Oh, that's glorious below 660.50. Tighter stop.
I got it right from the 9. It's beautiful.
Oh, nice. Good job. That one stopped me out. $100. That's glorious. What's the next level of support? I haven't gone left yet. Somebody look left and let us know.
I have 659.10.
Is that the mark?
659.14. Yep.
Shoot. Wait a minute. Sit my dog with that cap. What is it? Go ahead. First one.
I have 659.10. The other fellow said 659.14.
Okay.
So somewhere
okay,
in
so
there.
that's right. Okay, so 659. Marking it now. Thank you. Good
It
job.
means 659 is gonna be a big one, and I have it on purple, which means it was
A major
an
level.
important level
Okay.
before.
All right, thank you. Nicey nice.
Coach, I had at 59.85, right where it's at right now.
All right, thank you, partner. Yep, and I had one at 660.50, which was the pre-market low, right? Oh, by the way, right, this is what I'm talking about from trading. The market's been open 23 minutes, 24 minutes now, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing super small trades. I've already paid for my entire vacation that we're out at this beach house. 24
nice.
minutes.
Beautiful.
Yep.
How many contracts are you using about?
2.
2, okay.
Yep, that's it. The whole trip's paid for. 24 minutes.
Keep in mind that Kush is doing future.
Correct. For the last year straight. But I want you guys to know, right? That's what I'm talking about. That's the power of what we are doing in here, right?
Yeah. And it doesn't matter if you do option, if you do future, if you do stock, it's the same thing.
Correct. Or crypto. Yep.
Yeah.
I just made the payment on my new Tesla, coach.
Oh, done. Done. How you like your new Tesla, by the way? I know we got 5 minutes.
It is freaking amazing.
Yes.
I use the self-drive all the time. I don't ever want to
Yes.
drive a car again.
Agreed. Yeah, once you do it, there's no
It's so
way in
good.
hell I'm going back to the 70s, right? No thanks.
Yeah.
No thank you.
Coach, my wife uses a self-drive also. She just tells me where she wants to go.
Oh yeah, I just yeah. And you just do it, right? 659.10. There's your mark, everybody, right? That was support. That's it. See it?
Yeah.
That's the
180.
double bottom.
Was this a major level of support or no?
Recording in progress.
I have it as a
Yes,
major
Coach.
level.
Okay.
It is. The 659 area, be careful.
All right. I just longed it. You guys are wrong. There goes my trip.
Oh gosh.
I trust you. Boom, I just made another 160 bucks. Oh, after I collected, I made 20.
Yeah, feels are not that great today.
No.
I'm
that's
like, damn, Weeble, really?
That is my
Yeah,
fault.
feels
That
are
was
a
my
little
fault.
bit off.
Yeah, and I had
Can't get any amount of fill. I had one fill so far.
I had a really tight stop, so that's on me.
But here's the thing, everything is going bye-bye.
Yep.
All of them.
Yep, I like it.
Okay, I'm back. My bad, coach.
Right. You're all right. Oh crap! This thing just picked up my stop as a call. Did you guys see what it just did?
Yeah. Everybody does it at least once, James, when they're new. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we saw it, Coach.
Yeah, that's not good. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see what happened? Oh my gosh. How much damage did that cause?
Did we not say that 659 was major support?
Yeah. Did you guys see what my screen did? Oh, did that? Oh, it did not. It did not take effect. Oh my gosh. That was a fake thing on my screen. Did you guys see that?
What happened?
So I put in my trade and I had my stop. It killed the trade, and my stop acted as a buy. And then my
I saw it
buy went
registering
in.
negative.
The buy went in, and it went long, and then it disappeared before I put my other stop in there. And none of that actually happened because my account's still the same.
It's crazy. I
Mine
saw
did
the
something
negative
weird
show up
like
on there.
that too. It only filled the stop and not the buy. It's being weird today.
You just got weebled.
Well, I got weebled in the right way because that would have taken $1,000
Right.
because that stop was fake. That was wild.
Trade with caution.
Shift change 90 seconds.
Thank you. Yeah, look at it. All it shows on here is there was my buy, there was my sell, and that other one didn't exist. You know what that is? That is a sign of don't be trading right now.
Sit on your hands,
Yup,
right?
Yup, because that would have costed me $1,000 off that trade. $6.59.
You've already paid for your trip.
Yeah, exactly.
Remember that.
Exactly. I'm gonna go. You know what? I'm glad you said that. I'm gonna go real small. I'll go down to the babies, the micros instead of the minis. And that way you guys can see me trade, and then there's really not that much risk on the table, right? This is below 659.13. Short this bad boy right here. Now I want you guys to watch. Notice that even with tiny amounts, I will trade the trade the same. This is why whether I'm doing a $250,000 trade or if I'm doing a $25 trade, it's the same, right?
It's the same, boss.
Yes.
Just like golf, same swing, different club.
100%. 100%. 100%. Yeah, because think about it. If I start to trade differently, depending on my size and doing different things, I'm going to screw myself all up. And this is why I tell you too, though, right? Is that once you become really good at it, all you're doing is changing your position size. You're not changing your strategy or your style. You're just changing how many you're going in with, right?
Right.
Yeah, so think about it. Now I'm doing 2 micros versus 2 minis. So instead of 20 or 30, because I was doing 2 and 3, now I'm doing 2. So now it's barely moving. But the good thing is still making good trades, still looking for good setups, still treating it the same. As long as it stays below that 659.13. Shorting it. Now look at the difference, $20. Protect the trade. Fine. Right? Break even or I made $10. I'm okay with that. I want good, consistent trades versus doing something stupid. Tesla crashing out 3.5%. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside. Remember me calling that when it hit its third to the downside on that one? Who's still in these SPY puts?
I still have one left.
No,
I have
me,
one.
buddy.
Yeah, same.
Yes, coach.
I'm in
7% of my Roth account.
I am coach.
Wait a minute. What'd you say about your Roth account?
My gosh.
What did you just say?
Yay.
Coach, I said 7% on my Roth account.
Oh my gosh, that's probably my favorite thing out of all of this to hear. Right? That is a tax-free area trading in. Roth, IRA. When that comes out, not financial tax or investment advice, as long as you wait for it to do all the things, no penalties, interest. If you wait on that, There's no tax when you take that out in your Roth IRA. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, coach, learn to hear, coach.
Good job. That's my
And just
That's what I'm
aiming for
doing
small,
too.
safe hits. Small, safe hits.
right. And they'll compound over time, right? I always talk about that 1% rule. 1% is 2,000% per year compounded, right?
Yeah.
1%.
And what I do is like some of the profit, every time I make a profit, 20% of that, I reinvest into some long term
I love
every
it.
time. So I keep on making more money.
That is right. And where could you have possibly learned that from, Nana?
I don't know. There's that place called, that's right, American Dream Trading.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
You, Dad. I learned it by watching you.
Oh, that's great. Some people are like, what are you talking about? That was remember that commercial? Anybody? That's us. Gen X
Yes,
and
I thought it was
boomers.
a movie, but I remember.
Gen X and boomers
yeah.
definitely know, right?
I remember that.
Yep.
Anybody know when the next support line is on SPY?
Looks like it's right now.
Okay, I thought it was at the
Yeah,
bottom.
657.50. It's on it.
Yeah. Correct. And after that is 657.15.
Wow, this is great. Wow. Nana, are you still in off that 9 way in the hell up there?
Yes, I
Oh
still
my
have
gosh,
that.
what in the greatness?
I mean, it's one contract left, so
Oh.
on that thing, I'm already at almost $200.
Nice job. Tony, are you in here?
Oh my gosh.
Any
It's not stopping, coach.
Any of my mentees, one-on-ones, where are you at, peoples?
Right here, making money.
Right here.
Thank you. Are you guys still in this? Are you still making money?
I'm in it,
Still
coach.
making money.
Coach.
I'm up 180% on Amazon.
Oh, nice
Puts.
job. Good job, Steve.
Put up 22% on the trade, coach. I
Nice
was cautious.
job. Love it.
That thing
Up
is not
180%.
Tony, that's what I'm talking about. How much?
Well, 180% on my position. I'm up 20% on my portfolio right now.
How much are you up in
Big
total?
smile.
How much are you up in total since you and I had a one-on-one?
Almost 175%.
That's great.
Wow, that's how you get it done. That's how you get it done.
Biggest smile ever.
That's awesome. That was last week, gang.
Yep, last week I already well made back the money it cost me for the one-on-one. I made it back.
Mic drop. Boom, right? Thank you.
And no stress, by the way.
That's awesome. I'm so happy for you. Great job. Very proud of you.
Sounds like an infomercial.
Thank you, coach. I know. I swear I'm not paid. Well, kinda.
You're paying yourself, right?
Exactly.
Yep.
I still have to work for it.
Yep, nice job. I love hearing that. I try to tell people every day and they think I'm just trying to sell them something. I'm telling you, man, spend an hour with me, right? It's proof's in the pudding. I don't need to say anymore. It's done. Do it or don't. It's up to you. Okay. Had a nice bounce here, 656.80. Right back up to the 9.
bounced. Excuse me. IWM bounced a double bottom, coach.
Thank you. Now remember, SPY got down to about what? 1.3%. I tell you guys, once SPY gets to about 1.5%, it gets real sketch. People don't like SPY being at 1.5%. I don't know if you guys know that or not, right? People do not like that at all. People meaning hedge funds, market movers. All right, there we go. There's a nice pop. I will longed that, by the way, above that 9. Took it for another 40 bucks. Oh, but it's only 40 bucks. Do that 10 times, and that's more than a lot of people will make in a week. That took me 4 seconds, right?
Coach,
Yes.
up 223% on total account.
Oh my gosh. What in the what?
Thanks for the mentorship.
Oh my gosh. Who was that? I didn't even see who it was.
VJ.
Gosh, great job. Is that mentorship working out for you, or is it a bunch of bullshit?
It's working out great.
I love it. You guys hear the joy in his voice? Huh?
Yes, it cheered me up.
It's glorious. Levi, don't you and I have a one-on-one mentorship today?
Yes, Coach, we do. And wait till you hear what I have to say to you when we're there.
Oh my
I'll
gosh.
give you some interesting numbers.
I'm excited. Would this be a good time for me to plug that I have 2 more spots for those, or should I not talk about it because too many people are making too much money?
Nah, I'd plug it if I were you.
I have 2 more
I'll plug it for you.
available. I have 2 more available spots for mentorships. If you guys want, you can buy that 20 or the 50 hours, right, to work with me either twice a month or once a week, right, depending on which package you get. If you don't want to get that heavy, that deep, you don't want to spend that kind of money, you guys can start with 2 hours. Literally 2 hours with me. Give me 2 hours of your time and let's see what we can do together, right? Obviously, results not guaranteed. If you don't execute the plan and you do a bunch of stupid stuff, there's nothing I can do, right? I'm not there clicking your buttons, but I want you to think about it. In 2 hours of time with me, how much further along would you be in your journey? You can hear it. The proof is in the pudding, right? Again, results not
Hey, just
guaranteed,
sending the
legal, all the
messages
stuff.
now. I don't know why I lost track of my phone. It was.
I'd say shave off about 10 years, Coach.
Yeah, it'd be quite a bit. I mean, a one-on-one with me, and I know this is going to sound stupid and people aren't going to believe me, but I think about every one-on-one is probably 6 months to a year of training. One of my mentorees, I think we've done 5 sessions right now. I bet, and I'm not exaggerating, I bet I've accelerated his training by a minimum of 5 to 6 years. And I'm not exaggerating in any way, shape, or form. That's off of, now he and I do an hour and a half. So we do more than everybody else. And I gave him that deal because he was the first one to buy, I think, my first 50-hour package for 100K. So we do a lot more training together. But I want you to think about that. 5 sessions in an hour and a half. I bet he is about 5 or 6 years farther ahead. No exaggeration. Results not guaranteed, all the stuff. Speaking of proof is in the pudding, you guys know that my wife's in the Cybertruck, right? It's got version 14. It's doing all the things. You know, my wife has a Rivian, okay? So she has an EV. My wife's truck is faster and more powerful than my Cybertruck. I bought her a quad motor, 850 horse, one of the fastest vehicles ever made. It's also, right, one of the most sophisticated. I think it's top rated right next to Jeep as far as off-roading, all the stuff. But what I'm saying is, you know, my wife just sent me a text message who hates technology, doesn't care about none of the stuff. This is the text I just received. I love the car driving me. That's it.
And she's in the Cybertruck. Didn't she not like that at first?
Yep. 100%.
You better start trading again. Go get some more. Get another Tesla here soon.
I'm just telling you.
Well, of course she likes it. Like, who wouldn't?
Proof's in the pudding, though, right? Telling you. I mean, listen, her car
Right.
costed more than mine. Her car, most people, I don't think so, but most people would say it looks nicer than mine. It's a hell of a lot more luxurious inside of her car than mine, right? It's all super tricked out. All the things. None of that shit matters when you get down to brass tacks. My wife gets in the car, says where she wants to go, literally clicks the button, pulls her out of the driveway, takes her to the place, and parks the car. That's it. No doing nothing. You
Coach, you're
cannot
trying to be
use
just like me. I got a Rivian and a Tesla as well.
Yes, and you can't.
They're both great cars.
They are. They really are. They're two of the best cars. Well, I think in the world. So, but I'm just saying, you can't put a price tag on that.
I think she's just saying that because she wants something from you, maybe.
No, no, I don't really. My wife gets whatever she wants. That ain't a thing. That ain't a thing. Nope. All right. So we had a bounce here on SPY 650, 750. 650, 750. No, I always joke because every time my wife and I get in my car, I'm always like, don't you wish your car would drive you around? Because remember, we had a Model X Plaid before this, right? And she drove that all the time before I bought her the Rivian. So she had already had it. She just wanted the look of the Rivian. But once you get the technology, you can put all the looks and all the things you want. But when you're sitting there chilling with zero stress in traffic, that thing drove me an hour and 40 minutes from home to here in construction, under tunnels, over bridges. I put it in Mad Max mode, which is its new mode. Thing was zipping in and out of traffic, doing all the things. I didn't have to do nothing at all. I pushed a button, took me from my house to here. I never touched the steering wheel, a blinker. I never had to worry about nothing. That's it. That's the power of technology.
Wait a minute. They have something called Mad Max mode where it will drive strategically.
Yes.
Like that?
Yes.
Wow.
It's more aggressive and it'll do up to 20 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Oh,
Yep,
wow.
but it zips through traffic, right? It uses AI, so it's it's kind of like when we slalom drive, right? So it sees it sees an opening, zip, 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 right?
Nice.
Oh, it's awesome.
You know, Coach, my wife's been talking about getting one anyway, just for the FSD.
Yes.
But then I showed her the specs on the Plaid, like you had, the
Yes.
0 to 60.
Yes.
And she said, in an electric car?
Oh yeah, electric is 100 times
Yep.
faster than any other car on the planet. Yeah. Oh yeah, EV
The,
is the
the
fastest car on the
acceleration,
planet.
the acceleration will literally make you nauseous.
Oh yeah,
It's
my wife
unbelievable.
freaks out when I give
Yeah.
her any kind of juice.
Oh, that Rivian like pulls so hard.
Oh yeah.
Like
Yeah, and
when the first time I tried it,
yeah.
it's insane.
Yeah, yeah.
Like I got the quad motor too, and that thing
Yes.
is so fast.
It's super fast. And you know what's funny is if you got into my X Plaid, it would make that feel slow. When I would hammer it in my Plaid, because remember that has cheetah mode, I could feel the blood leaving my body. Have you guys ever been on the Top Fuel dragster at Cedar Point?
Well, not Cedar Point, but yes.
That's what it feels like. That 0 to 100, just right, boom. Yeah, it's fast, and I'm not exaggerating. I've been in fast cars. I've owned the fastest vehicles ever made, and when you get in those Plaids, you just like nothing else is the same. Nothing, right? I don't care if you have a Ferrari, a Porsche, a Lamborghini. Take all that old slow technology. Just don't come near me in my family truckster unit because I will smoke you. Don't do it, right? Keep it away from me, right? It's a different level. I'm telling you, you hit it, your eyeballs get sucked to the back of your head, you feel the blood leave your body, and you are permanently indented in the seat. It's like,
Have you ever tried it going downhill? That's another.
no, but I tell you what, the most fun I have is going up a hill because you're not used to having power when you hit a hill, right? So it feels like launch, like you're going to launch. Right? You feel like you're in a rocket ship when you get to a hill and you hammer it and it just, right? Because usually you're used to it slow, but you hear the motor rev and you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but going uphill, you have to be careful because if you hit the top of the hill, I mean, you literally can launch. So
Oh, yeah.
downhill, it's a little safer, I think.
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, you better know what you're doing, right? Don't be. Yeah, no, I wouldn't recommend that. By the way, nobody go fast in your cars. Make sure you're wearing your seatbelts. Don't do anything illegal. Great. Legal. Here's this is at support level again, right? 650, 750. Same spot, right? Okay, great. Moderators, have we filled those 2 seats yet? For the one-on-ones with
Nope,
me.
sir.
That's a 20 or a 50 hour.
No, coach, not yet.
Okay. Thank you. Still available. Still available. If we don't move those in the next week or so, I think I'm going to shut that down because that's, I know you guys are all listening, but that's for me, it doesn't do anything for me. Just letting you know. It's about 20 minutes of real trading with a large account. So this will be your last opportunity. Speaking of last opportunity to get Diamond. We do have an expiration on that. You will not be able to get the Diamond lifetime memberships anymore. If you want it, buy it now.
Coach, I have a friend of mine that is supposed to sign up today. I'm waiting for him to come online.
Okay.
He's never traded a day in his life. He doesn't even know anything about it, but I've told him it's the way to go. So hopefully he'll sign up today.
Awesome. Thank you, Levi. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Has everybody told 3 people this week about us? I know today is what, Tuesday? Has everybody told 3 people this week about American Dream Trading besides Levi?
I've got 2 out of 3 done.
Thank you.
I told my 2 kids, boss.
Thank you. I saw that. Thank you.
I told them it's the ultimate video game.
Yeah, absolutely. How old are your kids, Utah?
One is 22 and the other is 19.
Okay, awesome. How about we give them both a Diamond membership for a year for both of them? How's that sound?
I can't ask for more than that.
That's $15,000. Moderators, let's set it up. Let's give away $15,000 right now. Go! Go! Go do
What
it!
do I need? What do I need to do to get that?
Just open up a help desk ticket, and then we will coordinate with their user accounts and all the things, and we'll set them up.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Holy smokes, that was awesome.
Yeah, because we're not going to do the lifetime. So everybody that's getting it for 5K, that's not a thing. If you want to get a yearly, that's $7,500. That's the only way you're going to get into a Diamond from now on, and that's $7,500 per year. And we just gave away 2 of them. We might as well start promoting it because the lifetimes are freaking gone. Gone. See ya. Appreciate you. So thank you for being here, Utah.
My privilege, boss. There's no better place to learn. There really isn't.
Thank you, man. And now you guys can all learn together, right?
Right on.
Hey, Coach,
Yes.
I just had something weird happen. All of a sudden, there's a lot of dead air. I look up, the Zoom is gone. I tried to get back in for probably the last 15 minutes. And it gave me an error of 403. Anybody else have any issues?
No, but that's a forbidden error code, like something's
Right.
wrong with the website. Yeah, that's just a website issue.
I got knocked off as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now
I did
earlier,
too.
remember when James left the
Sorry.
whole thing.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
You got it. Oh, I see my wife is now charging the Cybertruck. Says it will take 18 minutes to full charge. Nice. Nice. Very
Wow.
nice. She doesn't need to full charge it. You guys realize once you get up over 80%, 80% of it, right? It takes longer.
Well, you're not supposed to charge past 80% very often for the battery life.
Correct. Yeah, now here's what's cool. You guys know I've owned that literally just over a year. I just had my year anniversary. This will blow your mind. You know how everybody freaks out about battery degradation, right? Losing its charge over time like your cell phone. So at full charge when I bought my vehicle, 100% is 320 miles, right? You know what I get now a year later? 318 miles. I've lost 2 miles in a year. 2
Sweet.
in a full year. Right? You think it'd be like 10% or 5, 2 miles in a whole year of using this.
Yeah, mine has 80,000 miles on it now, and I've only lost like maybe 10, 15 miles.
It's insane, right?
Yeah, well, I never charge it over 80%.
Yeah, me
Like
neither.
I always keep it between 20 and 80.
Yep, same. I never charge it over 80 unless I do trips like this. Every time we do a road trip, I'll always charge it to 100% just because I don't want to worry about it. If breakdown, construction, anything weird, you just never want to worry about that, right?
And how many miles you get, Coach?
320, well, 318 now in a full tank, but realistically, speeding and all the other stuff, you get probably 270.
Wow.
So about 5 or 6 hours of driving before you got to take a 20-minute break.
Apple
Coach,
is popping again.
how much is it to charge it?
It's if you charge it at a station, it's about $25. If you charge it at home, it's about $4 a day, maybe. It costs me, I think at home it costs me maybe $40 a month for each vehicle.
If you get it now, it's free. I think they have the promo again.
Oh, do they? Yeah.
I'm in the promo. The free supercharging.
Oh,
It's
nice.
I think they have it back now though.
Yeah, very nice. Don't forget, use my affiliate. By the way, whoever just bought one, it still doesn't show up. I think I've sold 6 or 7 of these Teslas so far. None of them have ever showed up in my referrals.
Oh no, I definitely used yours.
I know
Let me
it.
check on that.
I know it. So did who was the last one before you? Was it Eric's Moto? Somebody, I think it was Eric, just bought one too.
Well, because I'm supposed to get 3 months of self-drive for
Yep.
free
Yeah,
using
that's
your
awesome.
code.
Yeah, Eric just bought one a couple
Yep.
months ago, Coach.
Yep.
What's it cost a month for the self-drive?
Is it 100? Anybody? I don't know because I
$100.
$100
Yeah,
a month.
100 bucks.
Yep. It'll be the best $100. It'll be the cost of DoorDash for 2 will be the best thing you've ever done in your life.
So when you're saying self-drive, like literally you push in where you want to go, you don't have to touch it.
Nothing. Yep. It turns, it changes lanes, it puts the blinker on, it uses the nav system to drive you where you need to go. Once it gets there, it will find a parking space and it will park for you, put it in park, and you're ready to leave the vehicle. Yep.
Stops at the stop signs, the red lights. If there's
Yep.
someone turning left, it'll move into the right lane around that person, get back in its lane. Like it's really amazing.
Absolutely. Ambulance comes up behind you, your vehicle will pull over. If there's a bus in front of you, right, with kids, it will pull over, it will wait, it will do all that. If there's construction guy waving you through, it'll wave you through. I'm in a gated community. It'll pull up, go over the speed bump, wait for the gate to open, drive me on through. If you're going through a McDonald's drive-through, it'll stop at every window. I mean, this thing is, there's nothing like this.
That's nuts.
Yeah. The only thing is, by law, you still have to be watching the road. There's a camera watching your eyes,
Correct.
right? That's
Yep.
just like a regulatory thing, but that'll
Correct.
go away at some point in the near future.
Yeah, he said within the next 2 updates, he's going to make it more text friendly so you don't have to stare so much, right? Because it'll alert and go, hey, keep an eye on the road. Hey, keep an eye on the road, right?
Yeah. You know, it's funny. I
Yeah.
took my wife to the airport yesterday, and you know, we were talking. I just kept getting the alert. Hey, pay attention to the road. Pay attention to the road. And it warned me too many times. So then it's like, okay, no more self-drive for the rest of the trip.
It will.
I'm like, what are you, my mom? Like
Yep.
literally, I couldn't until I got to the airport and reset a trip. It wouldn't let me reactivate the autopilot.
Yeah. Here, I've had that happen too. Only once in the year, but you know you can literally just pull off the road, power down, power up, you're good to go again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the way my GM did. The same thing. After 2 times,
Yep.
it just told me no more.
Yep.
No soup for you.
Yep.
Had to stop, turn it off, turn it back on, start over again.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's worth every penny. I've got the foundation edition, right? That's why I paid more in the very beginning, but that's because it came with that stuff, right? It came with all sorts of bells and whistles. In the Plaid, I paid cash. I think I want to say it was $9,000 for FSD, something like that.
I paid 15 for mine, but that was like 20. That was like, I don't know. That was like 2019. I paid 15 grand for mine.
Yep. Yeah, and this was a 2024, so by then, right, the discounts were already in it.
Yeah. I got screwed.
Yeah. Well, you didn't because you got to beta test it, right?
I did, but I mean, when it first came out, it was terrible.
Yeah.
Like
oh, yeah.
I was one of the first ones to beta test it, and it was very tough.
Oh,
like
yeah.
even on easy roads, like it was like, and I also had to pass that stupid test to beta test because you had to drive.
Yeah.
When they first came out, in order to get the beta, you had to like do some almost like a road test that they designed,
Yep. That's
and it was like so tedious. Do you remember that?
Yep. Well, and the other thing too, though, is did you get to transfer it? Because most people got to transfer it. Like every vehicle they bought, they kept getting to transfer ownership of it.
They have once in a while they allow that.
Yeah.
Right now, actually, they do have that promo, but I mean, I've kept mine. It's haven't had the need to change it out yet.
Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, it's
Coach, and if the road doesn't have the painted lines clearly, it will still
Yep. Oh yeah.
have that question. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. It'll do dirt roads, anything. Yep. Oh, did you hear that? A baby cried once we said you can even drive it without the painted lines. Baby's like, oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's surprisingly smart with that.
Yeah, it's super smart.
Say hi to the coach, Andy.
Hi. That's awesome.
He's just looking at the screen.
Yeah, here, check it out. You guys will be able to see it. Look, it shows, you see it says it's charging. It says 9 minutes. See it? It gives you all the information. Charging, the speed. It says that we've spent $4. See? There you go.
Which charger do you have though, that you're using on your truck there at that house?
It's a level 2. That's 48 watts. So it takes
Gotcha.
takes about 6 hours to charge.
Full charge?
Yeah, yep. Yeah, every day you wake up, car's fully gassed. Oh, by the way, too, I know I've turned this into a full Tesla thing. Hence why I love Tesla so much. Hint, hint. There's no maintenance on these vehicles. Most people don't realize that. There's zero maintenance on a Tesla. Zero maintenance on a Tesla.
With the caveat of the tires, because you got to
Yeah,
change those pretty often.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you say pretty often, but you really don't unless you're speeding all the time, right?
Well, yeah.
But that's the
I've-
other misconception, though, is that people think because it's a heavier vehicle, you're going to go through more tires, and that's not true at all.
How many miles can you go on a battery nowadays with the newer ones?
You mean lifetime?
400?
No, like, 100, 200,000 before you have to switch a battery out.
Well, they're warranted for what, 180,000 or something ridiculous?
I mean, there are Teslas on the road that have like 400K miles.
Yeah, they should easily be able to get, probably 500,000 miles.
So they've improved that over the years as well.
Oh yeah, it's basically like a diesel. It'll go forever, right?
Right.
What
Yeah,
about
mine, like,
towing? Are they
mine
gonna
still
start
drives,
getting these things
like-
to tow?
No, there's no issue there with towing.
None. Yeah, none at all.
But mine still drives like it's brand new. Like I have almost 90,000 miles on it. I feel like I'm driving a brand new car.
Oh yeah.
And I have a 90,000 mile like gas car, and you feel
Pile-
like you're driving a clunker,
Yeah,
right?
pile of crap by then. Yeah, 90,000, everything is worn out and parts need to be replaced, and right, spark plugs are shit, and my serpentine belt is out, and now I gotta change the rotor, and right, the distributor cap is shit, and right, the alternator's starting to squeal, and you don't have none of that. There is nothing.
What's the most miles that anybody has in here on one of the Tesla trucks?
Got a Model Y first year they came out, 120,000, 5% battery degeneration, 4 sets of tires, 2 windshields. That's the only thing that was ever done.
That's
One
awesome.
recall for a software something or other.
That is awesome.
I have a Model Y, 150,000 miles, no maintenance, just some tires.
Yeah, and probably no brakes yet, right?
I actually looked at them. They're rusty. The brakes show surface rust on them.
Because you never use them. Yeah.
So you're saying you've got 150K on that truck now?
It's Model Y.
Model Y, I have 150. No brakes.
Yeah, no brakes. Yeah, there's no maintenance, gang. Washer fluid. That's all you got to put in it.
It's dark and we're wearing sunglasses.
That's what I'm saying, and people don't understand. There's such a big misconception of either the battery. Well, what if you got to replace the battery? Nobody. That's like saying when you buy a car, what if you got to replace the motor? How many of you are replacing the motor in your car?
Yeah, I've got DeWalt lithium-ion batteries for power tools that are going on 15 years old.
That's
Good as
right.
they were the day they were new.
Hell yeah. Yeah, people, it's just, they just don't understand. It's a different technology. Yeah, so look at car's got 4 more miles. It costed me $6 to charge that car. Can you guys see it? There you go. It's going to be done in 4 minutes. It was now it's $6 and a penny. There you go.
My issue with the Tesla is the places I like to go, the infrastructure is not there yet.
Oh, that's wild. Yeah, you must be like going some crazy spots.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna
Go-
say.
I mean, you can plug it into any outlet though. It's not like if you're going somewhere overnight, you still get like 50, 60 miles overnight charge.
Yeah. I get that, but so from where I'm at, Central Texas to our cabin in Ruidoso, New Mexico, it adds 6 hours to my travel time because of the direction I have to go to make sure there's enough chargers.
Well, here's what you might not know though, right? Do you have one now?
No,
Here's
I'm
the thing.
debating.
Here's the thing. Here's what you need to check. Most people don't realize you don't have to go to a Tesla charger to get charging, and that's where the difference is. So you don't need to use Tesla's
Exactly.
network. You can use any network, which will take you anywhere, and there are tens of thousands of chargers everywhere. So you might be mapping Tesla chargers only when there are way more other chargers than Teslas now, right?
Yeah.
So
and
rerun the map.
Until you start cutting across West Texas, the Permian Basin area, where they believe in oil, they get a little few and far between.
Oh, I could see that, but I'm just saying, check it though instead of just the Tesla chargers.
Just the Tesla route.
Check it for all of them. Yep.
Yeah, there's an app that can map your trip, including all the chargers, not just Tesla.
Yeah,
Forget the name of the app, but it's pretty good.
You can do it now with your Tesla. If you go into the charging area, you can say non-Tesla chargers, and everyone will show up, which is crazy because like every 6 miles is about 30 chargers, right?
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Make sure you have your adapter real quick. Over on the YouTube.
Yeah.
Rob Ogle says he earned 16,500 Tesla credits in about 3 months last year with the promos.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It was during the super promo about this time last year.
Yep.
You only get 10 a year. He got lucky, used 10K and bought another for the wife.
That's awesome.
Watching American Dream Trading's YouTube channel helped with the promo awareness.
Yeah, that's awesome. Good stuff.
You know, Coach, I can tell you that a lot of the newer Walmarts all have charging stations now.
Yeah.
So even while you're charging, you could go in and,
Yeah,
get yourself snacks or something.
Yeah, absolutely. Wawa's, there's a lot of them now, right?
What if you carry a generator?
And that's one good thing with that Cybertruck, right? Is I'm able to plug in anything. That's a 50 amp. That's a 50 amp in the back of my truck. I can power your damn welders, right? I could plug a dryer. I could charge your vehicle with my truck, right? I
Plug a motorhome into it.
Yeah, oh yeah, easily. A lot of the food vendor trucks are using them now because they're running the entire food truck from it without a loud generator and gas and all that stuff. You know what? It runs the whole thing. Yeah, there's so many.
Speaking of
Coach,
motorhome,
Levi's got his hand up.
Levi, go ahead, partner.
Just quickly, my friend the one that wants to join.
Yes.
should I just open a ticket? I've got it. Bruno sent me something for him to go into the to the whatchamacallit,
Zoom. I see it.
to the Zoom
I see
tonight, but he wants to sign up for the Diamond now. What should he do?
Okay.
Should he go to that first or do something different?
Is he in here? Does he have a Discord name? And tell him.
Yes, he has a Discord name. I sent it to Bruno earlier. I'm not sure if he was able to find it or not.
Okay, make sure he knows that none of us will be sending him a direct message.
Yep, I told him that.
Okay, and then open up a help desk ticket. So show him, you click on the under American Dream Trading, click help desk support.
Yep.
And then once he clicks.
So he needs to open a ticket from his side.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me see if I can get him to do that, and I'll come back. Thanks.
If he cannot figure that all out, Bruno, if you would post in the Traders Lounge right now the Diamond Lifetime Membership link, and he can just click that.
Fine. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you, partner. I appreciate you. Okay. And sorry I didn't see your hand up. I got on my little Tesla rant. All right. It is what time is it? It's 10:39. I think I'm gonna wrap up here a little bit early. Levi, do you want to meet at 11 in about 20 minutes instead of waiting till 11:30?
Coach, are you sure your wife put it in park?
Yeah.
I take the half hour, Coach.
I hear you. Levi, when you come back, let me know.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Does your truck have the back of it?
Oh.
Does your truck have a hitch in the back of it?
It does.
Sweet.
Yeah, I think they'll do 11,000 pounds towing capacity.
For your boat and your friend's boat.
Correct.
Coach, it would be so cool. I haul equipment around and stuff, and I can't wait till they can start pulling some heavy stuff.
It's 11,000 pounds. What more do you need?
I'm at 16,000.
Oh, I got you. Yeah.
Yeah,
What
we're
do you got?
talking heavy
Dually
equipment.
F350 or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. That's quite the vehicle, right? My
It
wife.
sure is, but I'm not driving far anywhere,
Yeah.
and so electric vehicle would be sweet just to.
Oh, for sure.
I mean, the maintenance on these diesel trucks is just absolutely insane.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That is crazy. Yep. My wife just said the car did a U-turn just to get me back on track. She said it was awesome. It did it on its own. She said you'd be so proud of the car. That's the message my wife sent me. The car did a U-turn to get her back on track. How crazy is that?
She's having fun.
She is.
So the car won't even let her get lost?
No way. Yeah, no, no way.
Oh God, I am gonna have to get my wife one.
Oh, that's great. That's glorious. Levi, are you back yet? He's probably working with his friend to get that diamond. Who's gonna sign up for that diamond membership? You guys realize this is it, right? Party's over. Get it. Go on. Go to American Dream Trading. By the way, if you guys are watching for free still, I know we've done a lot of extra side chatter. Sometimes we do that. Most of the time it stocks, but hey, whatever. If this is your first time being here, by the way, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for over 33 years now. We've trained over 1 million people here, just like you. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to take off a little bit early. I've got a mentorship, a one-on-one. I'm going to try to get into that so I can get that done and out of the way. And then I think it's time for Hot Tub Time Machine after that. I think I'm going to get in the hot tub and enjoy the ocean views. I think that's what I got planned the rest of the day
Do it, Coach.
on a glorious Tuesday. Huh? I think
Do it up.
I think that's what I'm going to do.
Coach, all I can be is super appreciative that you'll work with us while you're on vacation like this. Not many people will do that, and I very much appreciate it.
You're very welcome. I just believe in working a lot. I don't believe in I think when human beings get comfortable, they get complacent. And I think when you get complacent, you can get yourself in trouble, right? And I don't ever want to put myself there. I am in a permanent grind, hustle mentality. I never want to stop. I've been the poorest of the poor, and I don't ever want to be there. So I will always in my head be that broke kid who's starving, who's hungry all the time, right? To have the desire to have more. Therefore, I don't quit, even though technically I'm on the top of my game. I don't have that in me. And forever and always, I will have that defensive mechanism in me that I have to keep going, right? So, and that's why I said all of you in the room, you all have the opportunity. You're all here. You're in the right place at the right time with the right people. We all want to see you succeed.
I hear you, Coach.
Yeah, I don't want to ever be there again. No, thank you. I'm good. I'm good, right? Bruno, do me a favor. Post the link in the Traders Lounge or a moderator. You can grab it right from the info promo. Post the Diamond Lifetime Membership link in the Traders Lounge. But yes, I appreciate you all being here. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you to all my moderators as always. We would not be able to serve as many people as we do. It would just be the one-man band, right? Without all of our amazing moderators. So let me pull this up real quick. I always want to thank them every single day, twice a day. So thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, James, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Gilly, Diesel Dan, and I think I got them all, maybe. Sorry if I missed anybody. By the way, anybody who was praying and had positive thoughts, Mark's dad's surgery went great. He's still in recovery. He's hopefully he's going to get to do some walking around today, which is awesome. This was a major surgery, right? But the good thing is because of technology and the way that medicine is today, right? It's pretty common now. But everything is cool. So thank you guys again for thinking about him and his family, because he is family to us. So I appreciate all of you again being here. Everybody have a blessed day. God bless. I'm out. Levi, if you can hear me, I'm going to see you in about 15 minutes. If you cannot hear me, then it'll just be our normal 11:30. Again, I have two spots. Take them or leave them. And I'll run it for another week. If I don't have those spots filled, I'm not doing any more mentorships at all. It takes a lot of time out of my day. If you don't want to, get that type of training, obviously it's not for you. But if you are a diehard, serious, ready to go, ready to make the commitment, you will want to work with me. Let's put it that way. Other than that, I love your faces.
Sir.
God bless everybody. Have an amazing day. I'm going to go work
Thanks,
with my
Coach.
mentoree, and then I'm going to go to the hot tub.